Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. I'm just doing a short video today to talk about the INNOVV for BMW units. Now, recently I tested the INNOVV N2 for BMW. I've done comparisons of this as well with other BMW specific units that are available in the market. And unfortunately, this unit just was not good enough in so many ways that I was surprised that INNOVV even released this unit. Now, the good thing is there is a new unit just coming out, which is the INNOVV N3 for BMW. And it seems they've taken on board a lot of the criticisms that I presented. First off was this unit is only 800 nits brightness. The new one is 1200. Now, if you don't know too much about smart displays, the minimum that I would recommend is 1000 nits. So 1200 nits is well above that, and it should be a much better display just from that. Next up, it's got over-the-air updates now. So the N3 has over-the-air updates. So that's going to make a huge difference. I've placed an order for the N3. It's on pre-release at the moment, and they're saying they're going to start shipping from the 6th of May. So I've got one in order. I see people still buying the N2 for BMW at the moment, and I would say start ordering the N3. If you really want to have an INNOVV unit, the N3 is the one that you need to be buying. We have a discount code at INNOVV that gives you 10% off, and that is SRG. You just enter that at checkout and it'll give you 10% off. If you have a look in the INNOVV playlist, you'll see the reviews I've done of the N2, and I've just not been very happy with this unit at all. I mean, INNOVV's build quality is good, their products are good, and I was just really shocked at how bad this unit was for the money they're charging, and how that managed to get released, I do not know. The great thing is that I think they've moved on very quickly from the N2, because it was less than 6 months ago that the N2 came out. So the fact that they've released this quickly means they're addressing the issues that were presented. And I like to think I had a hand in that, because I did feed this back to them. Also, for your information, I think that damaged my kind of relationship with INNOVV to an extent, because they didn't like that I was doing negative reviews of the units. I suppose no company does, but again, I'm not going to lie about the units. I'm not going to say something's wonderful just to please INNOVV or any company. If it's bad, I'm going to say it's bad. I can't. As I said, the N3 looks like a much better unit. I trust INNOVV in terms of the build quality and stuff, because I've tested the N1 Pro, the N2 Pro, which is the full system with their cameras, etc., and their third eye system, and all of them have been superb. The only one that let it down was the N2 for BMW. If you are buying a unit, you're set on getting an INNOVV unit, do not buy the N2 for BMW. Make sure you get the N3. The reason I'm saying this, I keep seeing ads popping up on Facebook for the N2, so they're obviously trying to sell off the stock that they've got. Maybe if you want to wait another month or so, they'll probably reduce them in price, because I don't think that's going to sell because of the N3. Anyway, I thought I should do this quick update, because I don't want people buying the N2 when the N3 is now available. Thanks.